Dear intercessor, dear leader, today we talk about how to write your growth calendar. Because we should have a calendar of growth, a calendar of faith, a calendar where we have vision and we write it down. So I'm going to make this very, very simple because of the short time we have. And it doesn't matter what time of the year or what year you're watching this video. This is just an example. But suppose that you say, by the grace of God, I want to have planted 6 new groups, or I want to reach 6 groups by the end of the year. And right now, you only have one group. You are a leader of one group and you agree with your people and you're saying, hey, we want to go from here to there in 6 months. So let's put the group number 1 here. I hope it stays. Yes. So this is what you do. Maybe you want to come on the way back and say, okay, by mid-December, we want 6 groups. How about we start adding 1 group a month? So by mid-August, we have group number 2. By mid-September, another group, and so forth until we reach easily. This is not too hard to do. So the first thing you do is you set an annual goal, end of the year goal. This is your goal, and then you work the steps toward that goal. So you have 1 group, you want to reach 6. When do you want to plant the other groups, okay? It shouldn't be that complex because we Christians can grow pretty fast when we believe in what we are doing. Also, so it's annual end of the year goal, monthly goals, and you can even put weekly or bi-weekly set goals, like I want to add 1 person to the group every 2 weeks or so. Which means by the end of the year, you would have added to your group 12 people. Of course, you're planting 6 groups, so half of them are gone to other groups. Yes, or 5 groups, you're planted, 10 of them are gone, but you're saying, I want to be planting, I want to be growing and numerically for about 2 people every month. We want to at least together add 2 people every month. And so that's the way you do this thing. It's very simple, but if you have the faith to do it, if you have the unity to do it, God will bless you and you will sure enjoy this very, very much. God bless you until we embrace the world with prayer.